How can we design a mixed-use adaptive reuse project using Snaptrude's program mode? I'm going to start with my imported building shell. For this project, I have 4 large floor plates that need to be reprogrammed. The project features a large central atrium and 2 smaller atriums on the sides, along with circulation blocks that will be retained in the design. The building is divided into 4 wings and stands 6 stories high. So, I'll start by getting the total gross floor area that I can distribute my program into. This is the sum of all floor plates multiplied by the number of floor plates. Next, I'll input my target program areas and the number of spaces they will be distributed across. Medical facilities will make up 27% of the program, distributed across 7 spaces. Similarly, I'll input the rest of my mixed-use program percentages and the quantity of spaces for each category. I'll multiply these program percentages with my gross area to get the areas allocated to each function. Now, I'll roughly calculate the area of each individual space by dividing the total gross floor area allocated to that function by the number of spaces. I'll also apply space names at this stage. With my program and spaces set up, I'll apply a color palette to make them easily identifiable. I can input hex codes by department here. I have all my spaces built on the canvas, but I'll further refine them in program mode to streamline my design process. Next, I'll assign story levels to each space. 2 medical facility spaces are on the 1st floor, 1 on the 2nd floor, and the rest are distributed across the 4th and 5th floors. I'll also define space widths, which will match my regular floor plate width of 150 feet. Worth noting here that when I adjust the width, the length automatically adjusts to maintain the target area. I'll continue this process for the rest of my program. Once all my space parameters, such as story levels and widths, are updated, I can move into massing and start arranging my spaces. With my floor plate marked out, I can begin placing the program elements and adjusting them as needed. Any changes made to the spaces will be automatically reflected in the program data. I'll repeat this process for the upper floors as well. Now, I have my entire program filled into the building shell. I can now analyze how my areas compare to their target allocations, checking where they exceed or fall short. I can also run simple calculations to verify the achieved percentages against the target values. Additionally, any changes made directly on the canvas will automatically update in my custom calculations. If you've recognized it already, this iconic project is the Bell Labs building, redesigned by Alexander Gorlin Architects in New Jersey. This project preserved the original architecture of Bell Labs while revitalizing it into a dynamic metroburb with a complex mixed-use program. If you think your firm could benefit from using Snaptrude's program mode, we have good news for you. Snaptrude is now open for early access. You can request access today at snaptrude.com.